Namaste. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Sandeepni Coaching Sansthan. In our app, a candidate studying class 7 requested me to upload a video of perimeter and area. So we have decided to make the video and upload it of perimeter and area. Now, first of all, we in this video we shall learn about the perimeter, and in the next video we shall discuss about the area. So first of all, what is the perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but the boundary surrounding any particular area. Okay, then if suppose we have to find out the perimeter of this whiteboard, then what shall we do? We shall fix a tape here to here, then here to here, then there to there, and there to here. And sum of all these four lines will be called the perimeter of any perimeter of this whiteboard. So we have to find out the perimeter. Okay, then first of all we have taken the example of any rectangle. Suppose ABCD is the rectangle, and we know that in any rectangle opposite sides are equal. Therefore, here length AB equal to L and the breadth is BC, that is B. So AB equal to BC and BC equal to AD. Therefore, and I have told you recently that the perimeter is nothing but the boundary surrounding any area. So what will be the area? Perimeter of this rectangle. This will be AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Why? Because this is the boundary line of this rectangle. Therefore, perimeter is equal to sum of all sides, and in any rectangle there are four sides, and that are AB, BC, CD and DA. Therefore, I have written it perimeter of ABCD. Perimeter of ABCD will be AB plus BC plus CD plus DA as discussed earlier. Therefore, I have written AB equal to L, BC equal to B, again CD equal to L and DA equal to B. And L comes two times. Therefore, L plus L becomes 2L and B plus B 2B. Therefore, we have taken 2 common and L plus B, and L stands for length and B stands for breadth. Therefore, perimeter of rectangle ABCD equal to 2 into length plus breadth. This comes the formula of rectangle, very easily and understandable. You can also verify it by a square. Let us discuss about any square, perimeter of any square. Suppose ABCD is any square, and here the side is A, and we know that a square have all sides equal. Therefore, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, and all we have written it A and A. Therefore, perimeter of a square will be AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, and all are equal. Therefore, AB equal to A, BC equal to A, CD equal to A, and DA equal to A. And A comes 4 times, A plus A plus A plus A. Therefore, it comes out 4A. And what is A? A is our side. Therefore, perimeter of any square equal to 4 into side. That is the formula you have learned. Okay. We have learned about the rectangle and a square. Let us consider about any triangle. I have replaced it by a triangle. Now, I am going to replace it. Perimeter of any triangle, not equilateral triangle, triangle. We have made a triangle, that is A, B and C. Okay. What will be the perimeter of triangle ABC? ABC. And I have told you that the perimeter is nothing but the boundary. Boundary. What is the boundary of triangle ABC? That is side AB, side BC, and side CA. Therefore, AB plus BC plus CA will be the perimeter of this triangle. Suppose if it is a equilateral triangle, then what will be the result? Our result will be AB equal to, suppose AB equal to A, BC equal to A, CA equal to A. Then it comes out to be A plus A, that is 3A. And A is nothing but the side of this triangle. Therefore, the perimeter of the triangle will be, equilateral triangle will be 3 into side. And for any triangle, it will be the sum of all 3 sides. And the perimeter of any circle is called the circumference. We shall discuss about it in the next video, because circumference of the circle is very complicated, and it is very important for your syllabus, and I shall upload a video only for circle. Okay, so here is the end of this video, and thanks for watching the video. Hope you have understand this. Therefore, subscribe our channel and share it as many as you can. And I have an application in Google Store, so please go through and take the test. We have uploaded it, and in future we shall upload more and more things that will help you to explore yourself. Thanks and goodbye.